To set back tap or double tap to open or close live speech on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, we tap on settings, and from the main settings page, we scroll down, then tap on accessibility. After that, scroll down, then tap on touch, and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on back tap. In here, tap on double tap, and then we scroll down to the accessibility section, and then choose live speech. So tap on that. Now, if you want to open up live speech, you can just double tap at the back. That will turn on. So I will type it in and tap on
Hello
speak.
there. From it jungles.
And that's it. So you can double tap on it again to close the live speech. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.